Take the next problem. A body slides down on a rough inclined plane of inclination 30 degrees with constant velocity 72 kilometers per hour. It is projected up with the same velocity along the inclined plane. Then find the stopping distance. So tell me now here. You have just understand this concept here. So here the velocity, initial velocity, how much they given you, tell me now. So that is 72 kilometers per hour. Convert into meters per second. That is 5 by 18. So how much is value? So that is how much is value? 20 meters per second. With this velocity, we have projected the body. Now here the body with a constant velocity. Yes, if the body moving constant velocity, just now we have seen stopping distance. How much the stopping distance? S is equal to what? Tell me now. That is u squared by what? Just now we have seen Yes, that is 4g into sine theta. So substitute the values and get it now here. So this is u square, that is 20 square by, that is 4 into g value 10 will consider, and this is sine 30, 1 by 8. So tell me how much will come. Yes, 20.